Okay, default route. What do you mean by default route? Default route we use the situation when you send traffic, when you don't know the destination on the side. For example, the internet goes. On the internet, we know we have thousands of destinations on this side. We just say 0, 0, 0, 0, any network, any subnet. It doesn't matter which network of which subnet, we always say about the anywhere. In any and that's so fun. For example, we already configure. Okay. So this is the static route we configure, right? If I remove this, okay. Now you can configure 0.0 any network, any subnet mask, fast 0/1. So now you see your IP route. It's also a static route you are configuring, but you don't need to worry about which network, any network on this direction. So say if you want to go to from this side, yeah, you see it's working. Okay. So instead of I configure the one static route, if I know the destination, I can configure static route. If I don't know the destination, I will configure a default route. And most likely default route we use for any kind of traffic, which is the internet.